Humans are responsible for the appearance, taste, and productivity of all fruits and vegetables as we know them today. While for many other crops, the art of breeding has become a science, one very special plant has somehow yet to receive the scientific attention it deserves. This plant is called cannabis. Compared to traditional crops, professional cannabis breeding has long been ignored as the plant was, or in many countries still is, prohibited by law. But based on the positive effects of cannabis, the laws are beginning to change. This leads to new demands on the plant itself, which can only be met by modern plant breeding. This is where PureGene comes into play.
At PureGene, we are shaping future applications of cannabis. The cannabis plant has over 400 variable compounds. Our goal is to breed those varieties which provide the medicinal value to each one of those compounds and make them possible for broad cultivation.
PureGene is a genomics-based biotech plant breeding company that combines Swiss quality and cannabis expertise with state-of-the-art breeding technologies.
The foundation of our R&D is the extensive knowledge of the cannabis plant's DNA. We have an amazing team of scientists that have deconstructed the cannabis plant into hundreds of quantifiable traits and placed these onto the industry's best super pangenome.
Super pange what? Let's take a step back. DNA is the recipe for all living things. Small segments of DNA are called genes. Each gene contains basic information for the development of a plant's characteristics, its traits. The DNA of the cannabis plant controls traits such as taste, disease resistance, yield, cannabinoids, and effect. This means that by determining which gene is responsible for which trait, we can breed tailor-made cannabis plants according to your specific need. But how do we know which gene is responsible for which trait? This is where the super pangenome comes in. A genome is a single plant's complete set of DNA. PureGene holds the cannabis industry's first fully phased super pangenome, which contains the DNA sequences of the entire cannabis species. This allows us to precisely link each trait to a specific gene sequence. PureGene has revolutionized the breeding process by using the vast knowledge on the cannabis plant's DNA. Driven by machine learning and bioinformatics, an extremely large number of plants, traits, and enormous amounts of data pass through our supercomputers. This allows us to skip many of the traditional breeding steps, all without CRISPR or any kind of GMO technologies. In addition, we are the first European company to hold an industrial-scale R&D permit to research high THC varieties. This knowledge will improve all cannabis varieties we breed and set the path for the future. PureGene provides customized cannabis genetics with desired traits and characteristics, entirely tailored to your needs and regulatory requirements. Released globally, every year, the fastest in the industry.
Our customers can rest easy knowing that their plants are fully secured. PureGene has developed an extensive intellectual property portfolio covering both the plants and the traits within them so that our clients don't have to.
Our vision is to unleash the power of the cannabis plant, contribute to all countless effects, breathtaking yields, and irresistible tastes this wonderful plant has to offer.
PureGene offers you 3 types of products to license: traits, tailor-made varieties, and elite varieties. These products are equipped with unique IP protections and offer you the latest innovations such as novel cannabinoids and impressive yields, giving you the competitive edge you need in this dynamic market.
Our trait licensing offers industry leaders the rights to our trait portfolio. Clients can license protected traits that we have assigned to the genome. This includes licenses to our IP rights such as resistance, cannabinoid, or flavonoid traits. Our tailor-made varieties lets breeders and producers of all industries design the plant they want with the traits they need. With our technology, we can do anything from a single trait introgression into a variety, all the way to building a new stable variety from the ground up. Finally, we offer clients the opportunity to license genetics from our elaborate elite variety catalog, such as our THCV variety. These can then be cultivated or multiplied via clones or seeds and then sold under a respective brand. Get in touch with our experienced science team today.